Minisitule y'ebyobusuubuzi Amelia Kyambadde n'abakungu okuva mu minisitule ye balabiseeko mu kakiiko ka palamenti ak'ebyobusuubuzi okunnyonnyola ensonga za bamusigansimbi abasalawo okukola obulimu obutonotono obulina okukolebwa bannansi. Abamu ku babaka bagumbudde Pulezidenti Museveni ku bamusigansimbi bano bayise ab'ekikwangala nga kyekiviiriddeko n'ebyenfuna okugootaana.
So what country are we, Honourable Minister? Right now we have a problem. Serious one. All factories you're talking about belongs to them. And there is no way you are going to control them. It is the direction that the big boss must realize that he has to change the trend. Because it's beyond you.
Wadde Minisita Kyambadde agezaako okwennyonnyolako abamu ku babaka bamutabukidde nga bagamba naye avunaanyizibwa kyenkanyi ku mivuyo gya bamusigansimbi egiri wakati mu ggwanga.
To implement laws to dot, which Kenya is not allowing, which Tanzania is not allowing, and other countries. We love neighbors than loving our people. The fact of the matter, as I speak now, Ugandan vehicles cannot go to Kenya to ferry Irish potatoes from Kericho.
We don't work alone. There is collaboration between us, the Immigration, KCCA, Uganda Investment Authority, URSB. There are a number of bodies concerned.
You know, you can cover up for quite some time, you cover up, but finally they catch up and it ends nasty.
Is it really fair that we can have people in the name of investors coming to use our own resources and without necessarily doing what brought them?
Abakola oluvannyuma bavuddeyo n'ebiteeso omuli n'ekyokuwa ennaku kuminannya zokka eri bamusigansimbi abakola obulimu obutonotono okwamuka eggwanga.
We have said we are giving the minister 14 days.
Kyokka kino Minisita Kyambadde takkiriziganyizza nakyo era ng'avuddeyo okuwolereza bamusigansimbi bano.
Just come and stop them because they've also got their rights. They could be doing it illegally. Give us time to establish that.
Well, I think what we
are... Please.
No. Honourable Chair, I don't think we should be taking these matters lightly. It is ping-pong. It is ping-pong from the ministry. They had the communication.
When there's media.
From the, no. Honourable Minister, please don't undermine us. We are talking about real pain of the people.
Yeah. Allow us to go back to the agency.
You see, Honourable Minister,
we cannot take a decision.
Honourable Minister, from 2012 we have seen increase of foreigners doing business everywhere in the country. Petty business all over the country since 2012. Now again you are before the committee. You are still consulting from 2012. No way.
Abakera bananyeza ne kamisona mu minisitule y'ebyobusuubuzi nga bagamba kinaye aviiriddeko emivuyo gino.
You have done the minister bad. You are the people who make politicians look to be failures. Because the way the minister is talking, it seems she has not been briefed about all what has been going on. And this is very bad.
There are already foreigners who are running out of this country. We can work with... When we meet as agencies, we can put it together.
Okay.
Mu kusooka abaka akakiiko kano baali bawadde ensaleesale bamusigansimbi abagwa mu kkowe lino nga banaku z'omwezi 3 omwezi guno kyokka minisita n'abawandiikira ng'asaba bamwongereyo obudde.